Is your engine trying to tell you something? Most drivers ignore the early warnings until it's too late and too expensive. In this video, we're breaking down 10 clear signs your engine needs attention before a minor issue turns into a major repair. Stick around to the end, the last one could save you thousands. 1. Strange noises, ticking, knocking, grinding. Your engine should purr, not growl. If your car sounds more like a blender than a vehicle, you could be dealing with low oil pressure, worn bearings, or valve issues. Don't crank up the music to hide it. Get it checked. 1. Dashboard warning lights. That glowing check engine light isn't just a suggestion. It's a cry for help. It could be anything from a loose gas cap to a serious misfire. If it's flashing, that's urgent. Head to a mechanic immediately. 1. Smoke from the exhaust. Blue smoke means burning oil. White smoke, possible coolant leak or blown head gasket. Black smoke, fuel is burning inefficiently. Either way, smoke isn't just dramatic, it's diagnostic. 1. Loss of power or acceleration. If your car feels sluggish, hesitates, or lacks its usual punch, the engine might be misfiring, or your fuel system could be clogged. A healthy engine should respond, not resist. 1. Rough idling at a red light and your car feels like it's shivering. That's not normal. Rough idling could signal dirty spark plugs, bad sensors, or worse, engine misfires. Don't wait for a stall to take it seriously. 1. Decreased fuel efficiency. If your tank drains faster than usual, your engine might not be running efficiently. Dirty air filters, faulty sensors, or even engine timing can affect fuel economy. Your wallet will feel it first. 1. Fluid leaks. Oil, coolant, transmission fluid. None of it should be leaking. If you see puddles under your car, your engine's trying to tell you something loud and clear. Ignoring leaks can lead to overheating or full engine failure. 1. Overheating. When your engine runs hot, it's under serious stress. Don't ignore the warning. Overheating can warp engine parts and destroy gaskets. Always pull over safely if your temp gauge spikes. 1. Shaking or vibrating while driving. Unusual vibrations could point to misfiring cylinders, worn-out mounts, or spark plug issues. If your drive feels rough, your engine may be struggling. 1. Strong or unusual smells, burning rubber, sweet coolant, rotten eggs. Those smells aren't just unpleasant, they're warnings. Smells can indicate oil leaks, overheating, or exhaust system problems. Trust your nose. Your engine doesn't speak, but it does send signals. Catch these signs early and you'll save yourself stress, time, and serious money. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Drop a comment. Have you noticed any of these signs in your car? Let's talk in the comments.